Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This is a 27,000 rupees PC and this is 2025. We are trying to build a lowest price possible PC that can do overall everything. So it's gaming, editing, photo editing, official work like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and PDF, lot of internet searching and that is browsing. So yeah, this can do everything pretty smoothly. Our main focus is keeping the budget in mind. So 27,000 is the budget. I will be sharing what all component I'm going to use in this build and then we'll assemble it and we'll test it. So if you are planning a PC for yourself, maybe if you have more budget, then this is not the one for you. However, if you're very strict on budget and you do not want to spend overall 35,000-40,000 rupees including monitor setup, keyboard and other stuff, so you have very limited budget just for the PC, I think this video may help you deciding what should you buy. So starting with the processor, we are going with Ryzen 5 5600 GT. This is a 6 core and 12 thread processor. It is a wonderful processor still in 2025. It can run pretty much every game at low setting. Of course, it won't be able to run at very high or 4K either. Why would people buy graphic card? Again, anything below 3050 I would not recommend you to buy. So 3050 at today's date price is around 15 to 16,000 rupees. Now if you are making a PC around 30,000 rupees and if you pick a GPU for 3050, that is again 15,000 rupees, you won't have money left for other components. So selecting 5600 GT gives you a balanced performance and according to the price which you're spending. 6 core 12 thread has inbuilt Vega graphics which can run any game at lower setting, of course, and the price for this processor is 11,500 rupees. Talking about the motherboard, we have got a 2 RAM slot motherboard. This is B450MK from Gigabyte. The price is 4,250 rupees. The reason behind selecting this motherboard, we will be using only one RAM stick which is 16 GB and another 16 GB would be added in future. So I think customer, as per the conversation which I had with the customer, he will not be going more than 32 GB of RAM. So I think 16 GB for now, another 16 GB, the empty RAM slot would do the job fine. Price is 4,250. which is for B450 chipset absolutely fine. If you want to spend a bit more, like 1500 rupees more, then you can consider MSI B550MA Pro, that is 1500 rupees more, so you can consider that. I'm just giving you an option. What I've selected is keeping the mind budget. Then we have the RAM, and for the RAM we have got Corsair Vengeance 16 GB. This is 3200 megahertz and this is 16 GB. As I told you, I would be using one RAM slot, so 16 GB would be used right now. In future more RAM is required, another 16 GB would be added. If I go ahead and use 88 GB right now, in future customer won't be able to upgrade because this has got 2 RAM slots. So this is what we have. Again, we can save more money on RAM. Buying Crucial non-heatsink RAM will cost 500-600 rupees cheaper. However, RAM is very important. You talk about performance, so I think we have not compromised in the quality of RAM, keeping the performance in mind. B450, B550 for this processor would remain same, hence selected this one, saved money over here. RAM, so what we have here. For the power supply, we have got Anti-Sports VS500L. By the way, RAM price is around 2800 rupees. You can check the link in the description box below for the latest price. I've shared both Techmart, Unbox.com and Amazon link in the description box below. Go ahead and check the link and find the latest price on the day you are watching this video. For the power supply, we have got Anti-Sports VS500L. This is 1850 rupees and this is a non-certified, non-branch power supply. It can do the job perfectly well, comes with 2-year warranty. I think I have used a lot in past as well. I have not received any complaint yet. Budget build, you can select this brand, not a problem at all. If you have more budget, of course branch would be expensive, you can select that. I'm not saying that you should not buy branch. Keeping in mind the budget, this is fine. Even customer goes for 3050, I think this would do the job perfectly fine. So 3050 graphic card upgrade in future, then you don't need to upgrade the power supply. This would do fine. For the SSD, we have got XPG SX600 Pro. This is 512 GB for 2800 rupees. You also have other options like Kingston NV3 and WD-SN580, or you can consider Crucial P3 Plus. That is again 200-300 rupees more, but this is good. I've selected it. And for the cabinet, we have got NT Sports Z2. This comes in black and white both. We have the white version for 3800 rupees. If you want to see a dedicated video for this cabinet, do let me know. I'll make a video for that also. This has got 3 pre-installed fan. All are controllable. It has got 3 USB on the top and tempered. Looks great for 3800 rupees. This is what we're going to use for this build. And for the Wi-Fi, we are using TP-Link dongle. This is T2UB. This support 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz both. It also has Bluetooth. So this is for 1100 rupees. If you want an inbuilt PCI, then you can consider T5A. That is expensive, but we're going with the cheaper version. It works as good as the inbuilt one. Make sure the router should not be far away. If you're using this dongle within the same room or the next room, then this is fine. So let's go ahead and begin the PC build. All product link are mentioned in the description box below, and I have also shared Cheapo Keys website link, since this PC will be used for multi-purpose like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So we are also installing an Office which is 2024, and that is a non-bind key from cheapokeys.com, and also a window key which is Windows 11 Pro, and we will be using a Windows 11 Pro OEM key from cheapokeys.com. So let's go ahead and begin the PC build. Alright, so we're done with the PC build. 27,000 rupees. Can do little bit of editing, little bit of gaming, and all official or homework like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, a lot of surfing. So this PC is basically all-rounder, a home PC, and that performs really fast, well. If you are a professional video editor, of course you won't buy 27,000 or 30,000 rupees PC. So for the beginner, this is a really good PC. In future you can put a graphic card and increase the performance for the gaming. So we have also installed Office and Windows from cheapokeys.com, so you can consider that as well if you want it for yourself. And this is done. Going to customer now. That's about the video. If you have liked it, do let us know in the comment box below. You can visit techmartunbox.com if you need any assistance buying PC or PC component. We are available for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you.